Hi, my name's Jason Talley, and I'm a pastor and worship leader at Wildwood Calvary Chapel in Yucaipa. And I want to invite you out to this year's CCA Worship Conference. It's happening June 9th through the 11th at Calvary Chapel, Chino Valley. You know, I've been a part of the worship team at our church for about 15 years. And I've gotten to go to a bunch of different conferences over the years and just grow in leading worship, in God's heart for worship. And I love the connection that I've been able to make with other worship leaders and media teams and pastors. And the fellowship is so sweet. And I also just love spending time in God's presence together and then being filled up, being refreshed, and taking that back to my home church. And that's really one of the aims behind this year's conference, is for you to come, to be instructed in the Word. We're going to have different Calvary Chapel senior pastors come and teach us. And then like 20 or so different small group sessions where you can go and be instructed in things like media, video, music, musicianship, worship leading, you name it, there's going to be a small group workshop for it. So come, be a part of it, get plugged in, be blessed and refreshed this year.